What is subject, Rukia? Noun. Okay. Noun or pronoun. Very good. You should remember. Okay. Had. Had plus V6. Had plus V6. This is the past perfect tense formula. Keywords after, before. See children, these yesterday I told you which act as the adverbs. These two act as adverbs as well as prepositions. When always act as conjunction as well as relative pronoun. Here also two actions. The first action we write in the past perfect tense. Second action simple past. Yesterday also I said that past continuous tense carries two actions. The first action past continuous tense. Second action simple past. Here also same thing. Here also same thing. Second action simple past. See, I had eaten breakfast. I had eaten breakfast before I went to office. Right? And which is the first action, children? Eaten breakfast. Went to office. Eaten breakfast, right? This is the first action, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the first action. This is the second action. Right? Here also, she had woke up before her father came. First action. This is first action. This is second action. This they had completed their actions. Their actions. This is the first action. Before they went to bed. Second action, right? This is second action. She had written exams. After her prepared well. If not prepared means she can't write the exam, right? So, according to these exercises, we could understand the first action we wrote in the past perfect tense. The second action right in the simple past. Yesterday, as I said yesterday, past continuous tense also two actions. Perfect past perfect also two actions. Children, here you must remember before and after. Before and after we have two types of the parts of speeches. That is very important, children. See, before I went to school. Before 8 o'clock. Here this is the preposition. Why? Because if act as a conjunction means we want one more sentence, one more verb. Sentence means group of words, right? Before here is there, went V2 verb is there. That's what we call as conjunction or adverb here. But here there is no verb, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is preposition. This is preposition. This is conjunction or adverb. The difference between this sentence and this sentence before act as a preposition. In this sentence before act as a conjunction. See, I read English after 10 o'clock. See here, after, here preposition. Here after a
Preposition.
here after a conjunction or adverb or a adverb. See the difference between here and here. Adverb means conjunction means one more verb is there. Here there is no one more verb, right? That's what this is. Preposition. Adverb is nothing but conjunction as well as adverb. Adverb types of adverbs have the two connected two sentences. That's what this we call conjunction as well as adverb. Here there is no one more verb. So that's what we after we take as a preposition. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Adverb as well as conjunction combine two sentences. These two sentences. Okay. Here two sentences combined by the before. Right? Connected by the before. That's what we call conjunction. Here there is no one more verb. There is no one more sentence. So it is act as a preposition.